Where's the beer? Lady? Hello world, welcome back to the nightly vlog. I had an idea. I was out with my friends earlier, and the idea was at this bar that we were at, they had a typewriter, okay? It's not often that you see a typewriter out in the wild, and it's also like within reach, right? And we were queuing up to go to the toilet, and we just started typing on it. And the idea was, oh, let's just type hello world and welcome back to the daily vlog on the, listen, on the typewriter, okay? Now that I say it out loud, it's a long ass sentence to type if you've never typed on a typewriter. But in the moment, it seemed like a good idea. So I had this very long clip of me looking for letters because they're not all in the same place, okay? They're not all in the same place that you would expect them to be. And yeah, it doesn't work as an intro. It does not work as an intro. So I'm gonna just put it here probably. And right now I'm making my cat's food. And today has been another pretty good day, but you're gonna have to wait for me to be done with this before I say anything about that. I'm almost done. I would say I'm done. So, once again, I'm vlogging at 11:20, okay? I'm vlogging at 11:20. So, we are picking, you know what? I'm gonna eat a banana while I vlog. A vlog now. Why do I have to say shit like that? It's not even funny. Wait. She is not done with it. I have to chase her now. This is annoying. This is annoying. Hey. Jenny, come here. But yeah, so I'm gonna go straight to the point. These vlogs this week have not been great, and they're probably not gonna be so great for the rest of the month because, yeah, I'm working full time on my thesis, and I'm never really alone in such a capacity that I can vlog, okay? Because as you can see from previous vlogs, the lab where I work on my thesis is in the middle of two hallways, and the walls are basically just windows on those hallways. Therefore, it would be pretty awkward if I was filming myself and somebody who works there was to walk by. And I'm there all day. Sometimes there's other students. There's the girl that I've talked about, who, by the way, I was like, hey, we should go get a drink one of these days. And she was like, I would love to, which is great progress on that front. Still trying to figure out exactly where that shit goes because I'm not used to anything like this. But yeah, I just wanted to make a little quick tap in and say there's not much to show. I bought the Pokemon game yesterday and I was too tired to play. I came back home today, I wanted to play, and my Switch was dead because I haven't had it plugged in a month and a half, 2 months now. So, and now it's 11:30 p.m. and I'm gonna go to bed. So yeah, that's it. That's about it, right? This banana is pretty good. I prefer my bananas a little less ripened, but this is pretty good. There is some part of me, there is some part of me that just enjoys the idea of putting these moments, such as peeling the banana and throwing away the peel without saying a word in the vlog. Yeah, spoiler alert, it's not the same part of me that edits these vlogs, so that's why it got sped up and got put a filter on. It's great to find some time to just exist. And yeah, that's about it. Sorry, can you tell I'm tired? Because I think I'm rambling at this point. It happens quite a bit lately. Good night. Okay, it's gonna be cringe because I'm coming back like a week later. It's now the 24th. And I'm talking about shit that happened last week. And it was already cringe to talk about it on Friday last week. So it's even more cringe to talk about it now. But since the premise of this entire vlog is to kind of be sort of a diary and start to tell a story, I feel like I owe it to the quote unquote artistic integrity of the project to talk about this on Tuesday, and I haven't talked about it on the vlog. On Monday. There is, I don't know how much I said in the past few weeks, but there's this girl that I study with, or rather, like beside in the lab, that I started chatting with, and the Friday before this, so Friday the 10th, I was like, hey, I'm gonna go to this party. Are you gonna go there too? And she was like, maybe I'm gonna pass by there. And I'm like, oh, nice. Maybe we run into each other there. And then as I was leaving the building, I was like, shit, that would have been a great moment, like great chance to ask her for a number or Instagram or something. And she must have felt that too, because on Monday, the first thing she said was like, hey, by the way, we should exchange numbers. And that was great. It was it hasn't happened often to your old guy, okay? And on Friday, last Friday, so today for the vlog, on the 17th, I left, and the typewriter thing was at an outing with my friends. So we were at a bar, and I was thinking of texting her tomorrow, meaning tomorrow the 18th, so on Saturday, and be like, hey, we should go get a drink one of these days after working on our thesis. And my friends are like, yeah, you should text her now. And I was like, okay. And she agreed. So expect that from next week, okay? And it's kind of, it's weird to talk about this kind of shit like so candidly online like this, but it's also buried at the end of a 7-minute shitty vlog. Oh wait, it's actually shorter now, 6 minutes, because I cut out a lot of rambling. I cut out some rambling from there, okay? And yeah, I just felt like the vlog needed to have this part in it. Maybe I talked about it in the next vlogs, but I don't remember anything. How do I stop this now?